What's up? On a Tokyo night stroll patrol. I don't know what to tell you, but here's a cool live stream. Virtual IRL live stream. From me to you. This is the streets of West Side, Tokyo. And we are in the beautiful city of Toshimaku, Ikebukuro, Japan. For those just watching now, hi, welcome to Tokyo. Let me go for this virtual walk from me to you. Going to get some late night snacks and also check out the area here in Tokyo in the Westgate part of Tokyo. So come with and we'll see what there is. Right over here. There's also a cool shawarma place over here, and there's a donkey. Maybe we'll see something. We'll just keep it going. It's kind of late, so you have all the night creatures out, you know. We'll stay on this side because on this other side there's more like Ikebukuro girls who want to pull you in and make you drink at the bars. But this side is also kind of sketchy. But let's keep it walking. We're gonna go try to get maybe some sandwiches at Family Mart, just down here, and maybe get some Fami Chiki. Who knows? This I like eating here. This is some good stuff right there. So we'll go ahead and cross over. Not sure if we can. Yeah, we'll cross over. We'll go do a zigzag in this part. Over here is a lot of hostess and touts that bring you around, you know, to the bars in Ikebukuro. 0.5. Yeah, so we're gonna look for a Family Mart here in Ikebukuro. It's pretty dark. It's pretty shady. It's kind of dead. Everything's closed. The time right now is probably like 11:30, not so sure. So I know there's a Family Mart right over here. There's also a 7-Eleven. As you can see, the streets right now, everyone is gone, you know. So we're gonna go check out this 7-Eleven, probably get some cool grub. I'm not so sure what we'll find, but we'll go ahead and check it out. Alright, so I'm not sure if the stream is really good, but this is a 7-Eleven. This was supposed to be banned, but they have some porno mags here. It's pretty cool. Lipton lemon. This is one of my favorite drinks here in Japan that I highly recommend you get. I'm gonna look for some food so I can get some breakfast and I don't have to wake up early to look for it, you know. This is some ready-to-eat foods here in 7-Eleven. They mostly have more ready-to-eat foods than Family Mart. Look at this, even takoyaki. Jindako. Alright, there's some highballs and so forth. Some coffees, some waters, and then oh, there's Bikyo. Need one of this for Mikkel. Oh, look at that monster. We get this Bikyo for Mikkel. That's the thing, I don't have a bag. We're gonna have to carry all this shit. Some snacks. Yeah, we'll carry all this shit. Who cares? We got a Bikyo. Go pay for this real fast. Some pizza. And then the chicken. They have all this cool stuff.
うございます。すみません、もうちょいまだ。
Hey, brother. Just gonna get this.
お支払い方法をお選びください。現金を入れ終わりましたら、確認の上、OK ボタンを押してください。お釣りとクーポンをお受け取りください。お取り忘れにご注意ください。
So you just got a Biku. Or it's, yeah, this is Biku. It's like a, what do you call that? A Colt, I think. Like a Colt. We're gonna keep it going down this way. As you can see, I am just, it's summer, it's pretty hot in Japan. And I think the degrees is like 92 at the moment. This is Ikebukuro, man. IKB. Let's go to Family Mart and get some sandwiches. Also down this way, right? Down this way, you can also go to the, what is that called? The donkey. There's even a cool, what do they call that? Shawarma joint just over there. I'm not sure the stream is alive and working, but we're gonna go ahead and pause it real fast. Right over here.